afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss Monica.
Okay, today the evaluation will be starting from the storytelling.
Yeah.
Please explain this.
Okay, I was talking about I draw pictures. Okay, kids. Today we will discuss about I draw pictures. Okay. You can draw your favorite pictures, and then the kids say, "I want to draw flower," and then the other kids say, "I want to draw dog." And then I say, "Good choices." Okay, good choices, kids. Remember, you can use a lot of colors. Okay, the second, I draw sky. Okay, see the picture. What is the boy drawing? The answer: the boy is drawing sky. Okay, wow. That's amazing. What color is the sky? It's blue. Next, the third slide is I drew tree. Okay, see this picture. What is the boy drawing? The boy is drawing trees. Okay, that's nice. What color is the tree? It's green. Next, I draw river. See this picture. What is the boy drawing? The boy is drawing river. Yes, that's nice. Okay. So, what color is river? It's blue, miss. Yes. Okay. Next, I draw the. I draw the trees. Oh, I drew the wind. Yes. See this picture. What is the boy drawing? The boy is drawing wind. Yes. That's awesome. How do you feel wind? It's refreshing. Yes. Next, I drew the last slide is the draw picture of nature. Okay. Well, what the boy is drawing a picture, like there are like mountains, tree, and then river. Okay, what part do you have do you have a favorite part? Yes, I like the way sunlight hit the water. Yes, that sounds awesome. That sounds awesome. The nature is so inspiring. That's all.
We do the first questions.
Onion is the round vegetable that can be yellow or white. Parsnip is a long white vegetable that is sweet. Peas, yes. Peas is a small brown vegetable that grows on pots. Cookie is a sweet treat that is round and big. Donut is sweet fried treat that is round and it has hole in the middle. Chicken nugget is a small piece of chicken. Chicken nugget it piece of chicken and that's fun to eat. Chicken nugget is small piece of chicken that is fried and breaded. Sofa is a small piece of furniture great for sitting. Stool is a small seat bag without bag. Wardrobe is a small cabinet. It's for keep our clothes. We can keep our clothes.
Wall clock.
The clock hangs on the wall. It tells time.
Swing
swing the soft hanging from ropes. It can move back and forth.
Hammock.
Hammock is a soft bed. It hangs. It made of fabric.
Scorpion.
Scorpion is small animal. It has a long tail and pincers.
Snail.
Snail is a slow animal with hard sound.
Spider.
Spider is a sea creature with 8 arms.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee is a more clever animal who looks like a human.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros or rhino is a large animal with thick skin and 1 or 2 horns.
Tiger.
Tiger is a large striped cat. It lives in the jungle or forest.
Watch.
Pardon, miss?
Watch.
Oh, watch. Watch. Looking closely at something fun.
Draw.
Draw, making picture with crayon or pencil.
Shout.
Shout, saying loudly like cheering.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses, cool glasses for protect our eyes from the sunlight.
Sweater.
Sweater is a warm shirt we use when it's cold.
Swimsuit.
Pardon?
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit, clothing for swimming.
Swim trunks.
Swimming at some clothes for swimming fun.
Clothes. Is it clothes?
Swimming. Yeah.
Swim trunks.
Yeah, swimming trunk. Short pants. This for boy.
T-shirt.
T-shirt, a comfy shirt with short sleeves.
Shirt.
Yeah, short sleeves, right? T-shirt, right?
I asked shirt. I asked shirt. How about shirt?
Oh, shirt, clothing for upper body. So, right.
Sandals.
Comfy shoes for outside. Yeah, sandal, the comfy sandal is comfy shoes that we use at home.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, big orange vegetable we use in Halloween.
Radish.
Radish is around a red that is crunchy.
Red bell pepper. Red bell pepper.
Red bell pepper. There is a sweet orange crunchy vegetable.
Spinach.
Spinach is a green leafy vegetable that is very healthy.
Crane.
Crane is a large machine. It lifts the heavy loads.
Cruise ship.
Cruise ship is a big boat for fun trip.
Fire truck.
Fire truck is a red truck that's for emergency. Legs, it helps us to walk and run. Shoulders, where our arms connect with our body. Rabbit is a fluffy animal with long ears.
Rooster.
A rooster is a bird that is loud in the morning. Swan is a beautiful bird that swims in the water. Turkey is a big bird that is often eaten in Thanksgiving.
Squirrel.
Squirrel is a flying animal that likes to eat seeds and climbs into trees.
Wild goat.
Wild is a strong animal that climbs into mountains. Wolf is a wild animal that howls at night.
Peach.
Fruit, right? There is sweet, juicy round fruits. It can be orange or yellow, white or yellow. Pineapple is tropical fruits. There is sweet and orange. The pineapple with spiky skin.
Is it sweet? Pineapple.
Some of it sweet, but some stuff. Plum is a round fruit that can be dark purple. Pomegranate is a red fruit with many seeds inside. Raspberry is round red fruit that is juicy and sweet. Red grapes. There is small round fruits that that grows on bunch.
Strawberry.
Strawberry is a small red fruit that is sit in outside.
Shark.
Shark is a big fish that live in the ocean.
Shrimp.
Shrimp is a small sea creature that people like to eat.
Squid.
Squid is a sea creature with 8 arms and has soft body.
Starfish.
Starfish is sea creature that looks like a star.
Swordfish.
Swordfish is a large fish with long pointed bill.
Okay, do you have project for this week, Miss?
Yeah, we have projects. There are the first practical life is rolling mat. So we prepare 2 mats because we call 2 students to roll the mats. Well, and then the second we have
To roll the mats. This mat.
No, the
You have prepared.
yeah, mat like napkin.
They will roll.
They will roll the mat. Yeah, and only that.
Roll the
Mat. Roll mat with
with
no, I mean roll mat well.
tidy.
Yeah, tidy. Next we have art and craft. There is panda craft. So like usual, I prepare the parts so they can stick to make the panda. The last we have making letter U and H with blocks.
Why did you choose that? Why did you choose?
Choose which one?
Letter U and letter H.
Oh, because I choose the blocks to that fit with the letters. And then so I prepare the blocks, and then they create letter U and H.
What is the function?
There are 3. The first motor skill. This game improves their spatial awareness, balance, and hand-eye coordination, and more. The second, social skill. Block play. Block play is an excellent games to when they work, they can turn taking. And then the third, imagination. This activity is an excellent game to practice their focus and then their imagination can flourish.
Okay, the last is teaching.
How to order this?
Please.
Okay, my kids, today we will talk about draw a picture. Yeah. You can draw your favorite picture like flower, dog, and everything. But remember, you can use lots of colors when you draw a picture. Okay, kids, Ellen, what do you want to draw? I want to draw a flower, miss. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, Jaden, what do you want to draw? I want to draw a dog, miss. Okay, that's nice. Okay, next this. Okay, this. I draw the wind. See this picture. What is the boy drawing? The boy is drawing wind. Yes, that's awesome. The boy is drawing wind. How do you feel wind? Oh, okay. Ellen, wind is so refreshing, miss. Yeah, that's right. Wind is so refreshing. We can feel with our skin. Okay, next. I draw the river. Okay, see this picture. What is the boy drawing? The boy is drawing the river. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now what color is the river? River is blue, miss. Okay, next. I draw the trees. This. See the picture. What the boy is drawing? The boy is drawing trees. nature. Okay, so the boy draw sun, mountain, river, flowers, and sky. Okay, do you have your favorite part? Yes, I like. I like when the sunlight hit the water. Okay, that sounds amazing. Okay, and nature has made inspiring for us. Okay, thank you, my students.
How do you explain nature?
Yes,
How do you explain nature?
Nature is the things that can we see close with us. Okay, so we can see, maybe we can, when you can go to you can go to mountains. So in mountain you can see many trees is over there. You can see many animals is over there. Okay, so nature, that we can see everything around us.
Okay, Miss. Okay, the result is, I think for explaining that one, right?
Yeah.
I can draw a picture. It's better you explain what the picture is. And then I draw nature, you explain what nature first.
Oh.
Yeah. And then after that we go to the picture.
Oh,
I
I
think
see.
only that. Okay, the rest should be okay. So you pass with good result.
Okay, thank you, Miss.